Hello, my dear children. Very good afternoon to you all. How are you all doing? Hope you all are doing great. Do you remember me? Do you remember my name? Yes, it's me, Adley, your moral miss. My dear kids, in our last class, we have faced lot of network issues during our online class, isn't it? So, we have introduced this video session for you. Hope it will be helpful for you all. Okay, do you remember what we have learned in our last class? Yes, we learned about caring for plants. Hope you have planted a new saplings in your home. My dear children, keep in your mind caring for plant is more important than planting it. So care the plant regularly by watering it, place the plant under sunlight, give proper fertilizer. Okay, good. Shall we move to our new lesson? Yes. Today we are going to see the topic Let Us Play. Our topic is Let Us Play. I'm sure that you all like to play games, right? My dear children, you all have different toys such as teddy bear, Barbie dolls, superhero dolls, and playing items such as kitchen set, doctor set, balls, balloon, etc. etc. Isn't it? Same like you, in our lesson, some kids are playing with their dolls. Let's start our lesson. Here, Maya and Soya are playing with their friends. Maya is telling, today is my doll's birthday. Let us have a party. Soya telling, we will also bring our dolls. Her friend replied, yes, let us have a party. Then another boy is telling, even I love to play with dolls. Children, do you see any squirrels in this picture? Yes, there are two squirrels, isn't it? One of the squirrel is telling, yes, we can all play with any toy we like. Another one squirrel replied, can boys play with dolls? Again this picture, Soya is asking, can we play football tomorrow? Her friend replied, yes, we can play in the park. So the boy is telling, we will need more players. Her friend Maya say, I will call Aslam and he is my cousin. From our lesson, what we are going to study today? Do you have any idea? Today we are going to study about sharing and the major concept is gender equality. First of all, sharing. Children, shall I ask you one question? Do you share your toys with your friends and siblings? Yes? Yes? Say yes or no? Yes, very good, my dear children. We should share our things with our friends and with our siblings, okay? Do you know, when we share something with someone else, it is equal to caring him or her. My dear good children, sharing is the art of making good friends. Good friends share and care each other. When you share your things, you will make many more friends. So, you should share your things with your friends, your siblings and who all are in need. Okay, share. Sharing is a good habit, so you should share. Next, major. Actually, the main concept of our lesson is to learn about the gender equality. From our lesson, we have raised two questions. Is a boy can play with dolls? Is girl can play football? Before telling answer to this, first of all, we should know about what is gender equality. Gender equality. Girls and boys are to be able to do the same things, play the same games and be treated the same without discriminations. It is the realization of human rights for all. Even a woman and men enjoy the same opportunities. My dear children, don't think that only a girl can play with princess doll, only a boy can play with superheroes doll. Don't think like this. We can play anything we like. Normally, what we think? Activities which boys only can. Racing, football playing, bodybuilding. Activities which girls only can. Cooking, beautician. We segregated some works for women, some for men. For example, cleaning, washing, cooking. We all think this is only suitable for girls. On the other hand, boxing, racing, football, these all are suitable for boys. Like that we all are thinking, but it's not. Everyone is equal. So don't think like that. Now I am going to show you some examples for breaking these normal thoughts between us. Examples that proves gender equality. The first one is girl racer Alisha Abdullah. From this we can know girl can do racing and she can shine in it. The second example is Indian women football team. This team proves that football is not only for boys. Girl can also play football. This team proves that football is not only for boys. Girl can also play football. Our third example is men cook Ranveer Brar. Ranveer Brar known as India's most stylish chef. From this we can know even boy can cook. Okay, my dear children, we can understand that there is no difference between boys and girls. It doesn't matter if you are a boy or a girl. Both boys and girls can play any games. From this, we get an answer for the first two questions. Even a boy can play with any dolls and a girl can play football. Moral for our lesson is gender equality. My dear kids, today we learned nothing is only specified to boys or girls. Each and everyone can do anything we like and shine in it. Yes? Yes, okay. Because everyone is equal. We can do anything we like. Okay, children. Today let's wind up our class till we meet in our next class. Be safe, stay home. Thank you.